Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to make an easy and healthy kids favorite dal tadka recipe in my way. This will be so tasty with chapati, roti and rice too. Then what are we waiting for? Come on, let's get started. For making this recipe, we need 2 freshly diced tomatoes, 1 finely chopped onions, half cup of tur dal washed. You may use whatever dal you have in your kitchen. Water for cooking, 1 sliced carrots, 5 to 6 green beans chopped, 1 half boiled potatoes chopped, 1 tablespoon of lemon or lime juice. For spices, we need 1 tablespoon of sambar powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You may also use 1 teaspoon of Indian chilli powder or 3 to 4 green chilies instead of this. Salt for taste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon of ghee. You may also use oil instead of this. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, some curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds. You may also use cumin seeds instead of this. Let's start making this recipe. First add 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pressure cooker, and after the ghee gets melted, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splatter for 30 seconds. Next add the caraway seeds and urad dal and saute them for 30 seconds. Then add some curry leaves and let them splatter. Now add the freshly diced onions with salt for taste and saute them till the onions become transparent. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute them for a minute till the raw smell goes off. After that, add the freshly diced tomatoes with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute them till the tomatoes become soft and mushy. Now add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of sambar powder and saute them for a minute in low flame without burning the spices. Next add the sliced carrots and beans with 1 half boiled potatoes. You may also substitute this with sweet potatoes, but you need to add more chilli powder to get the exact taste. Mix them well for a minute and add the washed tur dal and saute them for a minute. By this way, we can make the spices to get mixed up with the dal. After that, add water. Here I am adding 3 cups of water. Give it a quick mix. At this stage, if you wish, you may add some ghee if you are giving this for your kids, which will be giving some extra taste. Now add 1 tablespoon of lime or lemon juice with some chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick mix and let them come to a boil. After that, close the lid and cook them for about 3 whistles in high flame. After the pressure got released, open the lid and see how evenly our dal and veggies got cooked. If you want this for your side dish of chapati, then cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes without closing the lid to get the dal to thick. For rice, this is the perfect consistency. That's it friends, our quick and healthy dal tadka is ready to serve. Do try this recipe in your home and enjoy with your family. Happy cooking friends. See you all in the next video. Bye bye. Stay safe.